This is the story of Ferdinand Magellan, where he began his exploration and discovered the Philippines. There was a Portuguese explorer named Ferdinand Magellan, and King Charles asked him to go to Spice Islands. Magellan, you have to go to Spice Islands and bring me spices. Yes, sir. So Magellan said to his soldiers, let's explore. And so Magellan and is out for exploring with 5 boats. They will sail through the ocean and they will make it to India to search for collecting to if there are spices in it.
Yo.
They sailed around until one boat was wrecked while another went back home. But then this happened. So I'm hungry. Excuse me. How long will this take? So boring to go to this very long Pacific Ocean. Hey, stop. Stop wandering around and let's keep exploring. And so the sail was long and very long and very big. But then they saw an island. Hey, there's an island. Let's go in there. But then this happened. Hey, let's go back to our boats. Okay. Wait, where's our boats? But they didn't know that the islanders stole one of their boats. Hey, let's continue exploring. So let's keep exploring, continue exploring, but until continue exploring and sailed back to the island, so out of the island. And they keep exploring until they discovered the Philippines. Can you see this? What? Magellan, can you see this? Is that another island? Yeah. Also, they went in the island and saw the Mactans. Hello. I like your island. So, can you stay in it? No, you can't stay in our island. We do not allow foreigners here. Get out. So they started the battle because the people in the Philippines did not allow them to conquer the country. Wanna fight? Let's fight. So the Mactans attacked. Was led by Lapu-Lapu. Attack them! Let's fight. Let's get back to our boats. Run! Some they fight and fight until some flew away. But then Magellan was killed by Lapu-Lapu. We won! Yay! when the other soldiers flew away, only 18 survived. Only one boat made it to the Spice Islands and sailed and collected spices. And they sailed back home to their country. Go. So the soldier went back to King Charles. Here's your spices. Thank you. Where did you find them? We found them in the Spice Islands. What happened to Magellan? I'm so sorry, but we discovered an island named the Philippines, and it have lots of natural resources. And I'm sorry that Magellan died in the Battle of Mactan. But next time, we'll go back to the Philippines and conquer it. So that's the story of Ferdinand Magellan who discovered the Philippines. The end.